In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your dashboard inside Zoho Books, and then you want to go down here to Reports at the bottom left over here. And then in here, you want to first select what you want to generate a financial report for. So you can see there's a bunch of different things over here, and then when you find something you would like to have, simply click on that. And then on here, you will have to first put in a date range. So it can be today, this week, this month, this quarter, this year, yesterday, etc. So you can do whatever you want. I'm going to do this year, for example. And then you can simply add in more filters. So you can just click on more filters, and then you can add in a specific filter in case that's something you want to do. And then after you've done this, you simply have to click on the run report up here, and you will essentially get your report. Okay, so you will of course have to first add in some filters. Without that, it's not going to be possible. But that's pretty much it. This is how you will generate your financial report in here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.